Hello, everyone. I hope you can see my screen and we are available for chat and stuff like that. Can you guys confirm that? Can you see my screen? Just and you are able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So let's see what we have today. So now let's wait for a few minutes, then let's start our sessions for today. All righty. Just a few seconds. We have to fix few things, then we'll start. Okay, hi, good evening. I hope everyone can see my screen and my voice is working and YouTube Live is still working. So, yes. Um, let's see what we have for today and we'll talk about all those things one by one. So what I did today is I created my notepad so I can see and I can show you what that means. We'll open up here. So this is the chat that we have. So first thing is we have introduction, why we are running this kind of sessions. We'll talk about that. Then basic of reverse proxy. And then we have some setups that what I have configured for this demonstration. Then we try to hack someone. Yes, hi. Okay. So we'll try to hack something and I'll show you how it works and then I'll run away from your questions. So no questions. Sounds good? Awesome. So let's start with the first link that we have here. Sorry for my phone, just 1 second. Sorry for the delay. Seems our YouTube link is broken. So if anyone watching us on YouTube, sorry for the delay. I don't know how it works. So back to our chapters. Here. So introduction, why we started these meetups. Anyone want to take a guess on this? Like, why anyone wasting their money and effort to run something that no one cares about? No one? No one is guessing? That's bad. Okay, so here's the thing. the little bit about us, why we are having these things, and we'll talk about all the stuff. Okay, so idea behind running this kind of security meetups over online or a virtual environment is achieve two goals. First, have engagement with freshers and college pass outs who have nothing to do literally right now. And many people are looking for the job changes and they want to learn new things. So we had an idea. To be honest, I was talking to Mr. in morning and we decided, hey, let's have some talks based on malwares and stuff that we know. So we had a talk yesterday. If you guys missed that thing, I will be sharing that link as well. And that is a series on fun with malware that will continue for a few upcoming days and weeks. So we had this discussion how we can do this thing. So I bought Zoom. We decided having a meeting, and you guys just shows us the love that we got. So last meetup, we got above 200 plus live streamers who was watching us. And after that, we got around 500 views for some reason. And some people actually came up forward and talked, and we had a discussion like what kind of talk we need to push forward. And now we have some talks based on red teaming, system hacking, privilege escalations, reverse engineering, and all those things. So we'll be updating all those things to you guys. Now, you can see every single thing is related to cybersecurity, and we cannot push talks every single day. It's not possible for us. So what we are doing is we are having some off topic that is not related to cybersecurity, but related to our health or interview questions and stuff like that. So any HR or the person who want to take sessions on those things, please let me know and I'll help you out on those things. Okay. So just to be assuring you guys, every single day we are having one session either on cybersecurity or some off topic. Every single link will be updated via emails, or if you're registered with our email services, you will getting an email. If you don't have email service, you can follow us on WhatsApp, Telegram. Then we have Discord. Join us over there so we can discuss all those things all the time. Okay, so who's behind all these things? Obviously not this cat. So now it started with me and I'm shameless, like I have no shame. So I started these things and now we got support from MaxOfie, Hyperspace IT, and a lot of kids from Cat Universe. So you can see we got 3-4 cats here. Okay, so being in home, yes, we need these things. And here we go. If you want to join us for future updates, you have any queries that you want to post and you want something from us to discuss or show us over a meeting or a webinar, join our groups and these links are here available. Okay. So these are the things that gonna work. And actually I'm looking into my YouTube comments and we found something funny. Do we ask questions typing here? It's from Nilay Seth. Yes, you can. I am watching both. So that was the one thing. So if people you're not following me on YouTube, you can just search for InfoSec Trainer. You will find our streaming going on live right now. And people who are connected here, thanks. Like glad you can make it here. It's too crowded right now. So let's have a basic of reverse proxy, how it works. And then we'll talk about for a few other things. So I'm going to use a website called draw.io because I'm not good with drawing and this is the only thing that I can do right now. Create a new diagram, create. And first thing is we're gonna need a computer. So let's do it. So computer. And we got this computer. We can put it here. Then we need a web server. So web server. And we got our web server here. Let's put it in this corner. And we need hacker. So hacker. And this hacker looks good. So this is the hacker. And hacker have another server. and it's gonna. So let's name everyone. That will be easy for everyone to understand what's going on. So this is our user. This one our, let's do hack Instagram, because when I having these things going on, people are like, teach us how to hack Instagram. So here we go. This hacker is running something called Proxy. Okay, so it's not Proxy, it's reverse Proxy actually. So it's there. So normally when we try to access facebook.com or instagram.com, what happens is we connect directly, right? Now, this is like we are searching for something and we go to instagram.com and it works just fine. But now what's going to happen is this thing going to be connected to this computer, and this people going to be users. So now situation is changed. We have a hacker who controls all those activities for us, right? And this cable is not working. Let's delete the cable. Okay, so hacker going to use reverse proxy to redirect users' requests and responses and jump into Instagram. So let's make a simple example for this. Let's suppose you are going to a shop to buy something. You go, you order, you get your order back. That's like direct communication or direct transactions. There is no third party involved. Now take it on a different example. You're sitting in your home, you are hungry, you open up your phone, go to applications, open Zomato or Swiggy, and order food from those applications. Now those applications don't have their own restaurant. They're going to look for the restaurants, finds your food, deliver to your home. So same thing we can achieve using a reverse proxy. So we are not sending our request or responses to the actual server, we are sending it to a proxy server. And in proxy server, we can decode the message and then use actual server IP address, their TLS certificate to encrypt the traffic, send it back, and do the vice versa when the response came back. So I hope this is not that techy. I'm just trying to make it very simple, because for technical things, we have Mishraji who will be taking care of the nerdiness from you guys. So just let me know if anything that you're not able to understand before I continue. Any questions so far? We got one comment from YouTube, Akash Divakar. Yes, we're going to do a live tactical. Blue Storm, is the stream little bit laggy? Yes, this is laggy up to 15 to 20 seconds, depending on my bit rates. So far, any other questions? Yes, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So what is the difference between proxy and reverse proxy?
In proxy, you actually, let's suppose if you're having a proxy here, we know the proxy address, and that server, he gonna think this is the user.
Correct.
And reverse proxy, we are trusting this as a server because we don't know the actual server IP address or the domain name. And this one going to act as a server for user. I think this makes sense.
Okay. So in the proxy, it forwards the request on the behalf of user.
Yes.
And reverse proxy, it happens like server is reverse proxy is the server kind of thing, and it will act as a server.
Yeah. I'm just trying to make it as simple as possible because we have some people who have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
If you want more details, you are in our Telegram or Discord group?
No, I'm not yet there.
Okay, so I'll be sharing up the link. Please join
Okay.
there, and where we
Yes.
have all those technical discussions.
Yes.
Okay, so let's jump.
So, hi, sir.
Hi.
So, why are you using proxy in Hacker?
In the
Why we are using proxy in Hacker?
because hacker is a bad guy and he wanna access to the user's data. So in our case, that will be Instagram.
Okay, in Instagram also we'll use the proxy.
No.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we got one more question. Is Bluestorm is the difference? What is the difference between MITM and this? MITM for doing these things, there's a simple term called man in the middle. So here you need network access, like you have to be on the same network. And that luxury we don't have right now. So this is kind of used for phishing or spear phishing kind of attacks. Okay, so I hope Bluestorm's question is clear. And I got another one from Sudhir Sahani. Sudhir Sahani, if you scroll up the chat, you will see the link for the Zoom meeting. And if I am not wrong, we have money here. Nope.
So is this kind of a social engineering attack?
Yes.
Like we use MSF Venom and
Uh,
we push the emails like same subnet if we are there, then whatever they type, we can send a URL and we can get the credential kind of thing.
um, kind of, but it's basically comes under phishing.
SE toolkit, right?
As the toolkit, yes, social engineering toolkit. It's kind of work on the same way, but it's
Okay.
slightly different. We are not actually using an email server. We're actually using a real server and
Okay.
doing all those things. So you will understand when you start. And I got one thing Nila said, but it shows yet to start. I think Nila, you are on wrong meeting link. Just guys, hold for 1 second. Let me share the link for these people. And copy invitation.
So, what is HMAC?
And where you see that? Can you tell me where you see that?
You're asking for me?
Yes.
I signed that in cyber security questions. What is HMAC? That is, I think so. I know. I wrote the full form: key hashing message authentication code.
Right now, I have no idea what you're talking about. So,
Okay, no problem.
okay. So
Okay,
let's just hold
and
for 1 second. I'm just
wait,
publishing the screen and we'll
okay, okay,
revert it back.
okay.
So you guys cannot see my screen right now. Is that correct?
Yes.
Awesome. And abracadabra. Now I can see my screen. Yes. So this is there. So what was your question again, please? Yes. Someone have Ramesh. You have
Yeah.
Yes, Ramesh.
Nothing. Explain.
Okay. Any other questions? Anyone having? Users connect to a reverse proxy instead of audience server. Shubham, your question is good, and we will take care of that one right now. Mahesh Kulkarni, sure, you can repeat the example. Again, had issues with network. Sure. The link is provided above is wrong. Shruti, we just shared the link. Please click on that one. and it should work. And sorry, we have wrong clipboard just now. So click on this link and it should work. And yes, so where are we? Okay, we got another queries. No, Mahesh Kulkarni, you already have the link someone shared. Awesome. Now, any other questions before I go forward? Okay, no questions. So, Mahesh Kulkarni, let's have this thing one more time. Basically, what happened is user are trying to connect to Instagram.com. So, what you do normally, you just type Instagram.com and connect to Instagram.com, right? Now, what's going to happen is hacker going to send you one link like, hey, your Instagram account is hacked or your password is reset. Click on this link to verify identification. Now you click on the link.
Is it?
Okay, so you click on the link and then you go through uh, that website. Now this website is a reverse proxy. When you do a phishing attack, you have a fake website. That means if you user click on those login button, it doesn't matter this user ID credential is correct or not. You will redirect into actual website having one thing called, hey, login again. Okay, but in reverse proxy, the URL will be different, but you can log in as the same website. You can chat with people on that same domain name. Now, many people have this illusion saying, hey, we are using like we trust HTTPS certificate. Like if there's HTTPS, website is secure. Okay, and I got these questions a lot right now. Like here's how it works. Like I have HTTPS certificate, I've seen the certificate. Okay, so what we can do with those kind of things? Can we do anything? Like many people trust those things, right? So I'm going to show you why HTTPS is not a good idea and why you should not trust the HTTPS certificate. Trust the other thing. Okay, so we're going to see all those things and try to understand. Akash Devakar, social engineering in WAN. Yes, you can do it on WAN. I'll sharing the link. You can click on the link, try to log into your account, and make sure if you're having a fake account, then only you log in because your password will be seen by around 30 plus 47, around 100 people. And that will be available online. So if you're having a fake account, then only go and log in and then change the password. Okay, so enough, we wasted times. Let's go and have this practical. So for practical, we just need literally 2 or 3 things. Okay, so first thing that we require is called domain name. So again, shout out to Hyperspace. They provided this domain for free. Okay, so I'm just using this link. So I just go here. I have a domain name named hackme.xyz. Scroll down. I did one setup here. That is, I'll show you. Before that, I need a server on cloud. And I have my account with cloud, and this is the server I'm using right now. So this is the server that I'm going to use. And you can see IP address here. So copy it, go back, paste it, press enter. Nothing gonna happen. Awesome. So what I did, I went to hackme.xyz. I went to child name servers. And we'll wait. And they're still waiting. Why? Work. Amit Prajapati. Amit, I think you are not connected with audio. There will be one button saying, hey, connect audio. click on that and connect audio with system. So basically, I have one setting that sets this thing as a name server to this IP address, and I put something like NS1, NS2. That should be reloaded here. So I really hate this kind of servers. So let's reload the entire page. Okay, so it might be actually logged out. That's why it's not working. So I logged in again. List starters, I guess. And if I go to child name servers, and we can see, hey, I set two names. It could be anything. But to make it easy for us, I set it as NS1 and NS2. And NS basically stands for servers. So that's there. Okay. Now, next thing I did is, you can see both IP addresses same, just name are changed. And we require these things because of one damn facilities that we have within servers. It required two unique names. So I set it up, and if I go and open up my terminal and do ping hack me xyz, and you can see we cannot ping it. So server seems offline, but that's not. So far, I just did one setting here. Another setting, I just ran a server and installed one program called Evil ngmx2. And this is the setup that I did. So I'm going to put this link into the chat as well. So every single thing that I'm doing here, you are going to get a documentation on based on these things. So if you want to follow up, you can go and follow those things. To get this kind of documents, please follow us on Telegram and Discord so you don't miss anything. And I'm going to mute everyone again. Okay, so this is there. So we have a server. We set it with our domain name. I did it before because it takes around 20 to 30 minutes to replicate on all those servers. Now, next thing is I will go and connect to my server. So I'm going to connect it. So I'm connected to the server, and I just want to do all those things as a root. So I just change it to root. Okay. So let's do the practical, shall we? So evil ngn and we can see I already have these things up and running, and the only module I enabled is Instagram. Now, just to giving you a basic idea, I have seen scams using the same tool and hacking into people's Amazon account and their LinkedIn account. And these two are actual real scams. One of those scams is run by one company in Gurgaon. I'll sharing that video's link with you guys later on. Okay, so they're using the same tool to hack into those things and actually legit scams. So apart from that, you can see we have multiple servers or the domains that we can trick people into. And before I go forward, can you guys see my screen clearly? I got one message. Awesome. So I'm just going to start get URL 0. So I got this URL. This looks unique. And how I got this, we'll talk about this one later on. So Dhwani will be sharing this URL to YouTube and Instagram. Sorry, Zoom. So just keep an eye on that thing. And Since there is an issue, let me share it in Zoom. For YouTube, we'll try to copy paste from somewhere. So guys, if you're having any fake account, try to log in. And we see we have started getting a ton of requests right now. Okay, so anyone willing to share their Instagram account with us? I would be very happy. So yeah, I got, hey Niba, it sucks. Yeah, you can disconnect. You suck too. Nope. Code hacker, no. Okay. Please share your password. Pretty please. I'm just gonna open up my account so you can see the password. So you can see I'm trying to log in. So I'm just gonna make this page here and this one here. And I'll try to log in with my account. So IT admin 2020, I guess, I don't know. Just keep an eye on URL, this thing. I tried to log in and my login failed. Okay, let's sign up for account. Event at aniroy.live hack me please. And password, I'm not going to tell you. I'm very secure with my passwords. So sign up. Something went wrong. What went wrong? Let's make it aniroy _ event. Will that work? aniroy event. Go. And you can see, hey, this guy logged in. So if I go, I can follow, not, yes, please. Instagram, I can go and look for my actual account. And I can follow my actual account here. And you can see, bigger stakes. Awesome. Kiss me like you miss me. Seriously, you guys are badass. So if I do sessions, I can see all those credentials that you guys submitted so far. So this is the actual thing that captured by me. And you can see this is captured and all those fake accounts got rejected. So you can see it here. Okay, so if I do sessions, what is the session number? 20. And we can see, hey, there is something called cookies. So if I log out, and how to log out from Instagram, I have no idea. And I just do use something called edit my cookie. And this is just a plugin for Chrome. I'm gonna use this. And it's added. Click on the thingy. Import. Paste it here. Save it. And going back to this page, refresh it. And did not work. Instagram.com. And it's not working for some reason. Why are you not working? Yeah, things like this happens.
Animesh,
Yes.
Yeah, try opening Instagram and then try importing it.
Okay, sure. Let's do that. Um, import.
No, delete it. Delete the old cookies.
No, there's no cookies right now. So deleted, import, paste it, submit it, refresh, and it just don't want to work right now. Oh yeah, it might be logged out, expired after logged out. Sorry. That might be the reason. Ah, you got the idea. Okay, so seriously, guys, this is your password. Okay, so now the main thing that I wanted to show you guys here today, that is that even it's not this URL. Where is my hack me? And you can see this is just running as an Instagram. And just the one thing is different from this place is I can put any domain name. I can buy literally any domain name that I want. I can have like Instagram secure or Instagram whatever, like Instagram2020.com. And people will fall for this kind of things because they trust this padlock. You can see this if you click on the padlock, this certificate issues to this account using Let's Encrypt. Now, Let's Encrypt is a publicly available open source free certificate authority. You don't have to pay for the certificate. So people like us who knows these things, we won't fall for this kind of attacks. But our parents, other persons who have no idea might be fall for this kind of attacks and might lose some money because I have seen cases people sending links related to Amazon account and then using their Amazon account and exploiting their Amazon Pay credit or their Amazon Pay balance and doing a financial fraud on those places. Okay. So these are the things that you should care about. So that was the only motive for you guys to show you something that is easy, no brainer. Everyone can set it up and run it. Now, counter measurement. Do not trust this padlock. Never. Trust on this URL as well as this log. If you click on the log, if you open up the certificate, you will see some information. If you don't understand, click the URL that you think is malicious, go to a website called urlscan.io, put it there, run the scan. Okay. And it will take few seconds. And meanwhile, I can open up for some questions and I got random transformer. Yes, you can talk. When you start a will shell, will it automatically replicate the Instagram page? No, I have to run this command. It's called get URLs. If you're following us on Discord and Telegram, there will be a dedicated documentations how it works, how you can set up this kind of attacks and all those things. So you can follow us over there as well. And you can see it takes few seconds to verify. And once it's done, we'll get a report here. Okay, so that's there. I can log in and follow you guys from this account. Anyone who wanna share their Instagram account? I'm happy to follow. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome, random transformer. You are not from Transformers movie. Always 09. Let's follow this guy. Sir, you owe me a beer now. One follow, request, one beer.
Definitely. Please go to Chennai.
And sir, if possible, please come and give us one talk. I know you are good with these things.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. So guys, be ready. We are getting another speaker now. If you don't come, 10 beer for every single person who is watching us right now. How follow कर रहे हो? Yes, अपन follow कर रहा है. And let's have a look on Instagram. Sorry, YouTube. Because you logged out. Some site have cross origin restrictions. Will reverse proxy work on that? SJ, it's not gonna work on those places. I never tried it, so I have no idea, but it should not work. Okay, so here what I have for today. So I finished this, I hack it, actually I hack myself, and now it's time to run away from questions. So if you have any questions, please say yes, and I will start running. Okay, anyone having anything that you want to ask or any questions? How it works, why it's working, or why you showed us something that you're not getting into details?
Animesh, I have a question, but that's
Yeah,
not
sure.
related to this particular topic.
Yeah,
But
sure. You can ask.
yeah, do you recommend any commercial-based fishing tools for small and medium-scale business?
That's going to be info set. I will share that link with you guys, with you later on.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. So there are things that you can use, and actually one of them I'm using for one project. So so far I'm getting a good response from that too. So I'll share that with you. Okay. So
Thank you, Animesh.
thank you, sir. Any other one? Like you have any questions, any doubts? Like you wanna kill me? You're more than welcome. Don't kill me, please. So how to check the connection of the username password status, connection status. Okay, sure. I'll show you that one. So if I log into my hacker machine again, that I already did. So sudo -i, and if I type sessions, you will see all those attempt. Okay. You want phishing link? Phishing link. Uh, uh, yeah, that phishing link won't work. Let me share you the new one. So let's share the phishing link first. Then we can continue. Yes, it's there. Now, basically, if you type any invalid logins, like you can see it here, okay, you will get something like, hey, that's not captured. But any legit logins, they will capture the cookies, and you can see it here. And if you want to look for more information, just type session and the session ID. In my case, that is 20. And you can see the information, the username, the password, and the cookies that you need to import. Okay, so that is there. And we are actually closing down on our session timing. So now thank you guys for joining us every single day and supporting us. Sir, using these techniques is trying to hack the Insta account. No, actually you can target a bunch of people that we call as a spear phishing. You can make a personalized message and send that message to those people. So once they click on the link, they're gonna welcome by this page, this one. So it looks like not this page, where the page goes. Let's close the session, that's why. So here they're gonna welcome by like this page. You can see it's hackme.xyz. And in normal profile, you can see all those posts and stuff like that. Other questions? We'll be sharing video links as well. And thanks a lot for the sessions. You are welcome, Code Hacker. Setup of server. Yes, Akash, we are going to share links on a step-by-step process. How can set up this kind of servers? Could you share the video link, please? Video is available on YouTube. Just search for InfoSec Trainer. You will find out a profile with Pikachu, and you know that is us. And we're setting up our website where you can follow all those things later on. I'm using a Ubuntu-based machine on cloud. How to handle password in protected files. That's out of topic for today. Can the application install on their phone? No, this is only for web application part. Sorry for that. We cannot trigger applications using this so far. Okay. Okay, so let's take some question from YouTube. Thanks for the session, Chicha. You are welcome, Bacha. Hi, Animesh. I had a question. Yes, Priya, you can ask. And I have to wait for 30 seconds because YouTube is delaying for 30 seconds. It was a good sessions, but kiss me like you miss me is my real password. Sorry, Aman, please change your password. Thank you, Tej, for being with us. Rukmani, how did you configure the reverse proxy? That will be available on our Discord and Telegram links. How to deal with the tools in workcase to FA enabled on the Instagram. Yes, if you have the, if I capture the cookies, you can bypass to FA as well. That is for Priya. And I will try to squeeze in into our online discussion and show you these things working on. So yes, guys, we are having some online discussion where we're going to have some professionals taking questions from you guys without having any topic. You can ask anything you want, and they are more than welcome, more than happy to help you out on your things. So yes, thank you guys. Just keep supporting us. Yes, Blue Storm, you can use cookies to that thing. Okay, and we are still getting requests. Awesome. So thank you guys being with us, and I'm just going to switch over to Dhwani, and if she is sharing us, she has something to say, you guys. Dhwani, she is not available right now.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Animesh. The session was definitely good. I guess very informative. Now the quick stuff. There are few lots of queries. I guess we haven't answered yet. So what we can do is we'll share a website link where the people can view the updates of the upcoming event, the past events, the study material references for it, the videos for the same, as well as it would have a blog where they can just ask their queries up, and our experts can give answers to those particular queries.
Yes, we can set up those kind of things as well. So actually, we're working on our website. Dhwani is taking care of those part. So we're sharing you that link as well. Okay.
Yeah, and I guess many of them had an issue with the Discord link. What we can do is will be sharing the revised link on our WhatsApp and the Telegram group. So you guys can definitely join the Discord server from that particular link once we share it.
Yes. So, okay, guys, today's session was quick. And for the quick update, we're going to have one sessions. If you guys attended the last sessions from Fun with Malware, the next session is scheduled. And we're going to share about these things very soon in WhatsApp and other Telegram groups that we're handling right now. And if you want to talk about and if you have any questions, just use hashtag infosec meetups. We're going to follow those hashtags and try to capture your questions from different social media profile and try to answer it. If you have any other questions, feel free to write it on event at aniroy.live. I'm going to share that email ID here. So if you have any doubts, any questions, just send the email here.
If you want, what I'll do is, Animesh, I'll even share my email ID.
Yes, please.
So if there's any query or something, they can just...
Paige, you have one thing like how to become a speaker for the session. Just drop a message to my email address or Dhwani's. We'll be talking to you personally and taking care of your session. Okay.
Yeah, that's the link for the WhatsApp group as well as the email ID.
So, Tej, we are more than happy to welcome you on our speaker team or gang. We can call it a gang, right?
Yeah.
So, Tej, you're more than welcome to join us. Just drop that email address. I'll send you personally. Just send it to this. It's 0, not O. So just drop me an email and I'll take care of those things. And for YouTube viewers, you already have the link. If you don't, just drop me a message and we are working on those things. If you look for my information, just search for my website that is available here, anir0y.live. Click on this window and you can follow InfoSec meetings, and that will open up a new window where you can see our upcoming events. So this is finished. Next, we have upcoming talks on hacking Ethereum by Ajay, and that is on 2nd of April. If you're not signed up, please use this link, sign up so you can get all those updates. Share it with your friends who are interested to learn about blockchain. And the Mishraji, the talks that we already finished, you can see links here. Just click on the link and it will open up the YouTube sessions that we had before. And these cats are you guys. If you want to join us, I'm more than happy to join you guys as a speaker and we can have you on board. So don't be like these people. These are ugly people who don't want to share their profile pictures. So
Hey, hello, those are not ugly people, okay? You can ask me for their profile photos.
Yes, they are ugly people.
Okay.
No, yes, you're gonna kill me.
Yeah, definitely he's gonna.
Okay, so these people are good. Like they're real brothers, so I can troll them anywhere.
Okay.
Okay.
So far, I'm happy I'm not mentioned on your website with the cat photo.
Yes. Okay, sure. You can update all those things. And Tej, use Meetup and all event forward. Yes, sure. We are going taking your suggestions in consider, and Dhwani will be taking care of meetups and events promotions. She's the marketing people here.
Yeah. So, well, this.
Yes.
So,
So
next meetup is on 2nd, I guess.
we have to have one normal sessions like discussions tomorrow, like no proper topics, just a discussion about stuff. So you guys are more than welcome to join us and hang out with us. Like everyone is open to talk, share their stuff. So based on those things, we can decide what talk we need to push forward. So I'll be sharing up that link. That's not an official talk. It won't be recorded. It just will be on Zoom and Facebook Live, most probably. So we can work on those platforms. Okay, so if you guys want to join us, just like drop an email or visit our groups. We'll be sharing up those links. Mishraji session, most probably day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, if that isn't tomorrow, we'll updating you on the same time. Like within half an hour, we'll update you. Okay, so any other questions or stuff that you want to ask, you're more than welcome. Any sessions planned on web applications? Udit, actually thing is, we have 1 or 2 persons who are interested to take sessions, but into systems. We don't have any people who are interested to take sessions on web applications. If you know anyone, please refer me and I'll talk to him and convince him to take sessions for this. Machine learning, sorry, sir, we don't have any trainers for machine learning, but we'll try to arrange someone.
Yeah, we can have a session on bug bounty, definitely.
Okay, so bug bounty will be taken care by Dhwani's side. She will be taking care of bug bounty. And so the next thing, if you submit a bug, she will like, it's a duplicate, not applicable.
Okay.
Out of scope.
No. It's a, obviously we'll have a session for the same.
Okay. Bug bounty, we'll try to set it up by after next week.
I guess we can have it for Dheeraj.
Yeah, yes, Dheeraj sir will taking care of one sessions.
Yeah.
We'll try to push him for bug bounty. Okay, he moves into fuzzing. So let's see. Sync computers.
What we can do is we have lots of recommendations coming up on the chat. Definitely, you guys can please post your recommendations on our WhatsApp group, and definitely our team members would have a talk, and we can finalize few talks on the same.
Yeah. Udit Gupta, Dheeraj Mishra. Yes.
Yes.
Mishra. Okay. Some on SIEM tools. Mahesh, the thing is, we need people who can come forward and talk. I'm able to take sessions today because I am not managing all those things, but from next session I have to manage all those things. So I cannot take. If you have any persons who's willing to take sessions, we are more than happy to have them aboard and ask them to join the sessions and work on. Tej, yes, please share, drop me an email. We can talk it in private and confirm like what we can do with you, like what kind of talk we can have.
Also, just give me a moment, Animesh. I'll just share feedback form. So we'll like the viewers to have their valuable feedbacks for us.
Yeah, sure. Just share with them and they will try.
Yep.
Udit Gupta, yeah, please share with me and I'll take care of those things. Just go to my website or just scroll down, drop an email to event@anirai.live or just drop me a message on WhatsApp. I'll take care of those things. Okay, thank you. And I got another person asking a questions about Windows exploration. Yes, we have Windows exploration sessions coming up, but we're still figuring out how to set up the labs. So once we're done with that, we'll updating you the same thing. Sessions on Wi-Fi pen testing. For Wi-Fi, uh, we never
Uh,
thought of that actually.
Animesh, we don't have a particular session on Wi-Fi pen testing, but yeah, we
Yes,
definitely have a session on red teaming, where
yes,
we can ask the like the speaker, I guess Yasir itself, my business
yes,
partner. So we can have a word with him and ask him to go for a Wi-Fi pineapple red teaming
yes.
stuff.
Yes. Can we get recorded video if possible? Yes, so that it's available on YouTube, and I'm sharing you the link for the YouTube over email after the sessions wind up. So yes, that will be available. Okay, so I hope this is our cue for today. You can guys create a WhatsApp group where you can only share the materials message. So um, random transformer, we already have WhatsApp group. Please join us.
I'll share the link once again.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Uh, that's the group. I'll even share my contact number. So people who have recommendations for the sessions can please take like WhatsApp me on this particular number, and we'll definitely try to arrange speakers accordingly.
So yes, as you guys know, we are having these things because of the lockdown. So stay safe, play nice, and learn something new. If you have something to share with us, feel free to share. We are more than welcome to have you on board and share your things with other people's. Session on malware, security, onion. We don't have any sessions based on those for now, but later on we might think of. So this is for the persons that we actually required for the jobs. So anyhow, we're going to post about some openings as well later on, if you're getting any, because I actually got few openings asking like you have any manpower you can submit. So yeah, we'll talk about those one later on. So we'll wrap up here, and next time we'll see you guys and we'll work on those platforms. So Dhwani, shall we close the
Yeah.
session?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. See you guys. Thank you for being with us
Bye
and
bye. Thank you.
tolerating me so far.
Bye bye.
Bye. Udit Gupta, please drop me an email with your openings. I'll try to give you some manpowers as well. Okay, thanks, guys. Thank you for being here, and goodbye.